How to delete profile pic on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. After that, you need to tap on Edit Profile from here. You can edit your profile information such as the name, username, bio, etc. Then tap on Change Photo below the picture. As you can see, you don't have the option to remove the photo. So tap on Upload Photo. Here, you can choose a picture from your camera roll to set it as your profile photo. Select a blank photo from here and then tap on Save at the bottom. You have now successfully changed your profile picture to a blank picture. Following these steps, you can easily delete profile pic on TikTok.